Mailtime B. See, junk. Credit cards. Bank. More junk. Junk. Student loans. More bank stuff. I have my packages here. Let's see what's in it. It's open enough. Just tear it open. Hey, it's a piece of paper. That's what I ordered. Enjoy your Challenger, Eugene. Zach. It's a bear opener. It's a keychain. You can open the beer. Alright. Oh yeah, guys, finally off call. I can finally go home in my Challenger. My coworker, he's on call, so his car gonna be sitting there all week. Check it out. Cold start, kind of cold start. Alright guys, finally back in this thing. Feels so nice, the leather interior. Don't you just love it? It smells so new. Oh, also, see, Growls, told you I got it, man. Official licensed product from Mopar. Like you said, man, I don't know how he's official, but I guess it's supposed to fit like a glove. RT extra small, it's only white. They have options to make it color change like the rainbow, but that's too much. And my other mod, that's for the grill. I haven't put it on yet. I hadn't had these since when I linked up with Germ Green Hemi. I always get them mixed up, man. Try to say like 10 times fast. Well, anyways. Oh man, thank goodness I filled up the tank a little bit. That'd be a long drive. Well, anyways, I just want to take this time to say R.I.P to 392 Life, man. Keith, you was a really awesome guy, man. I mean, you had big plans for your Challenger, but God has bigger plans. So he has a new generation just waiting for you. The next Challenger just waiting for you, man. Probably like 1,000 pounds lighter, still looks the same, drives even faster, you know. Yeah, I just think we need to take this time to look around and be thankful for what we have and support each other, keep everybody close, shake on one another. Because if it wasn't for him, he was the first one to realize that Blue Dream was gone. Be surprised. That's in the video when there was two of them, two Keiths. So we need to keep tabs on each other, make sure everybody's there, make sure everybody's still, you know, Mopar. I mean, life gets in the way, obviously. You know, things break our recording equipment, the switching internet, service providers, you're moving, etc. Family emergencies. I mean, it's all part of life, but we need to check on each other, you know. I just wanted to say that, man. Just R.I.P, man. We'll be thinking about you, man. You was in the inner circle of the community, you know. Because we have like people who's new, and then we have the OG people, you know. But it's different from being in the inner circle. It's like the solar system, the Mopar system. Well, anyways, I'm waiting for this truck to turn. But I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one.